As soon as I saw the information about the award, I knew immediately that this was an award that she was so deserving of. Cathy is so special to the school and to the community. She has been here for 40 years at this particular school, and she actually lives in the neighborhood as well. So she doesn't just know the school community, she just knows the community as a whole. She's seen multiple generations, and so she's the heartbeat of everything at the school. If you need something done, you go to the office, you ask Cathy. If I need to find information, I'm gonna go ask Cathy. And the same goes not just for the staff, but it also goes for the students. You know, she just has this really special quality, and I think that's why people feel so comfortable with her.
Cathy's been here since she was 19 years old, so she is a very big part of the school. Nobody can say the word Dundas without thinking about Cathy.
I think a lot of people, when they come into the building, she's the first person they see, and she'll greet everyone. But not a lot of people know what she does around or behind the scene. She's always the first one to make sure that the teachers have what they need. And when kids are having problems, she's always in the office to listen to their stories and to help them and guide them, and also making the children feel that they're valued and supported.
As an office administrator, she was very organized, but she even knew if there were problems outside of the school with the family or with the kids, and she would try to help out.
One of the things that we currently have here that a lot of schools don't have is a hot lunch program, and she was one of the initial people to get that started. And that program has been so successful that she's continued it even to this day. She also initiated a special room within the school where she would collect donations and then invite people that she knew needed some help, and they would go in, no questions asked, and be able to take what they needed. And that sort of continued throughout her whole career here at Dundas, where she's always been providing things for people.
I met Cathy when my children first came to Dundas, which was many, many years ago. My first daughter, Grace, started, and then my other daughter, April, started 2 years after that, so I've known her since then. Gracie just continued to come back and visit Cathy through high school, even in university. At the end of university, when Grace died of brain cancer, the first call I got was from Cathy. Most people hesitate. She did not hesitate, and it had profound meaning for me. And that sums up who she is.
I actually came to help out because they were short-staffed 40 years ago, and I never left. I loved working with the children and having them as part of an office environment. You felt like you were accomplishing something and making a difference. I always try and make the office a very welcoming atmosphere so that they want to come in and they want to, if they feel that they need something, we can help them out. Whatever it is, extra clothes, extra food, whatever they need, that we're there to help them, It's been really rewarding for me when a child comes back 20 years later and says, hey, Miss Cathy, you made a difference for me when I was growing up. And you know what, just hearing that, it means a lot to me. It really does. It's been so rewarding, so rewarding.